Hello and welcome back to Gags Kitchen. Today I'm sharing a cozy winter favorite, roasted tomato soup. It's tangy, fresh and wonderfully soul-warming, perfect for those chilly evenings. Slow roasted tomatoes with garlic, herbs and a hint of spice create a rich, velvety and a pure comfort. Let's dive into this goodness. These are the washed tomatoes. I'm using 6 fresh medium-sized ones for the soup. First, cut off the top portion of each tomato, then slice all 6 into halves. Once done, place them on a baking pan with the cut side facing up. Next, take 1 bell pepper and cut it into 2. I will be using only half. Remove the middle portion and seeds. Give it a quick rinse and cut it into cubes. Do the same with 1 medium-sized onion. Add both the bell pepper and onion on the baking pan. I'm adding a whole garlic ball. Just slice off the top and place it on the pan as well. Sprinkle some black pepper and salt. Drizzle a bit of olive oil. Now pop the tray into the preheated oven at 200 degrees for about 50 to 55 minutes or until the tomatoes are beautifully caramelized and slightly charred. The tomatoes are done and look perfect. You can blend them once they cool slightly or follow this method for extra flavor. Heat a pot and add a cube of butter. Once it's melted, add all the roasted veggies. Squeeze out the roasted garlic and add them as well. Mix in a teaspoon of red chilli powder and a little over 1 teaspoon of jaggery powder to balance the sourness. Stir well, then add some freshly ground black pepper and around 4 cups of water. Turn off the stove and take off the pot. Tear 5 to 7 basil leaves into the soup and blend everything with a hand blender until smooth and velvety. It's done. You can strain the soup for an extra creamy texture or simply leave it as is. Place the pot back on the stove over high heat. Add a pinch of salt if needed, cover it and bring the soup to a gentle boil. Meanwhile, let's quickly make a cheese sandwich to pair with our tomato soup. Take any bread of your choice, add your favorite mozzarella cheese. Heat a pan with a small knob of butter. Place the sandwich on the pan and cook it for about 2 minutes on each side until golden and melty. By now, the soup has come to a boil. Let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. If you prefer a thicker soup, continue cooking for a few extra minutes until it reduces to your desired consistency. The tomato soup is not perfect, just the way I like it. Turn off the heat and remove the pot. Grab your soup bowl and pour the hot soup. Well, this one is optional. You can add a few drops of fresh cream, drizzle a little olive oil, and garnish with basil. Enjoy your hot, comforting soup with a cheesy sandwich on the side. And that is it, guys. Our roasted tomato soup and cheesy sandwich are ready. Perfect for this winter season. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to Gags Kitchen for more easy and comforting recipes. Thank you for being here and see you in next video.